Hello, Cynthia. How you doing? This is Charles Laird with Coldwell Banker Realty. Hey, just giving you a quick update on this open house that Lucinda and I sat at. This is at 22731 Lavina in Mission Viejo. Three bedroom, two full bathroom ranch. Really cool house. Totally remodeled in 2024. Let's walk through. This is a front yard here, and it's got a little flex space right there. You'll see it when you get on the inside. They're using it as a bedroom with a day bed in there. So the neighborhood is real chill. I don't know if you know this area is right off of Trabuco. And I walk through here, and to the left here is a door wall. That's to the kitchen, which we'll see when we get inside. It's got a lemon tree back here, which is pretty cool. And this is our patio. And of course, they have it staged, but again, just kind of gives you an idea of the use for the space. You've got just a real quiet area, for reading or having coffee and just relaxing. And again, that lemon tree, man. And so we're gonna take a walk through on the inside. And so I'm gonna come in there. You got Lucinda. She's waving, and this is gonna be your main living area, and then to the right here you've got your kitchen, and this is the sitting area, like your dining area. Then of course you've got the door there. This is the flex room that I spoke to you about here. Okay, and then this is your kitchen. All of this has been updated. This house is sellers are motivated, so obviously all the appliances come with it, of course, so you don't have to get new appliances, or if yours are better, you can switch them out, sell these. It's all about making a profit here. And then great cabinet space here. Okay, and then come back into the main hallway here. Again, this is going to be your living area. There's Lucinda again. And then we come in through here. We have a closet here, which is can be a coat closet. And then this is going to be our master. Very spacious. The cool thing about this master is that you have a shower that obviously it doesn't have a tub, so it's easy to get in and out of. High efficiency toilet. Good color scheme. They did a pretty good job with this in terms of decorating and all the little, what does my office manager call it? Tchotchkes, all the little things. So you got a lot of storage there. And again, you've got two nice sized closets here. And so you've got plenty of closet space for you, which I'm sure you're going to be downsizing. And then you come in here, of course, you've got your furnace area there. And then you have another bedroom, which could be a bedroom for Kelly. And cool thing is, it's right off of this bedroom. There's another full bathroom here, and you got a tub here. And again, they've done a lot of updates. And then this is going to be your garage. So you got a 2-car garage here. Come in off the garage. You've got your linen closet space here. And then back in Kelly's room, we've got some closet space there. And that's pretty much it. I'll come back through this way. Again, just give you a quick view here. Your door wall, it lays out to the back of the house. And this is where we were earlier, which is really cool. Okay, so that's it, Cynthia. Just wanted to drop you a quick note and let you know what we found out on that property. And one other thing, we will probably, I'm thinking, be able to get it for a little less than $1 million even. Primarily because I believe, I'm not 100% sure, but that one bedroom that they have listed as a bedroom technically is not. So technically it's more like a flex space. That would be my approach with them, getting it to a price that makes sense for us, which would be in your case under $1 million. So with that said, what I'm going to do is I'm going to also include a couple of screenshots of what your monthly note would be like. One with a 20% down payment, and probably just one with a 20% down payment, because I know you're going to probably net somewhere, maybe north of 300,000 on your house if we If we sell it for 1.2, which there is a good chance that we could get it, then we'd be looking at somewhere around, possibly $335,000 to net, which meaning what you would actually walk away with. So if you could use a little bit of that toward the down payment, make sure you're at the 20% threshold, then we should be able to get your payment. I'm thinking somewhere around 5, but let's take a look and I will let you know in just a little bit. Hey, Cynthia. Okay, so here is a breakdown of your numbers. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this over there, move that over here, and let's just do that. That works better for me. Okay, so if we were to sell your property, and again, I'm going to assume about $1150. Although the numbers that I've looked at right now, I just kind of ran some numbers, and it looks like 1.2 is not far-fetched. So, but I'm going to think conservatively and think at 1.150. I'm assuming that this is roughly your the current remaining mortgage on the property. Of course, you got tax prorations, closing costs, so on and so forth. So I've got you at walking away from the closing table with about $355,000. And again, these are estimates, so it should be pretty close. So with this, if you wanted to, you could actually, I know you probably purchased your house with 20% down, so you could probably do the same thing on the new house. And so this one you'd be looking at roughly, if we went in at $1 million, and of course I have a strategy. I know they've got it listed for over $1 million right now, but my gut is that they will take $1 million on that house and possibly even a little bit less. So what we're looking at right now is if we did 20% down, this interest rate right here is going to be 6.78. And so we'd be looking at about $221,000 to bring down, which is going to be your 20%. And then your monthly note would be around $56.95. The HOA is $33 a month there, but you'd be looking at about $56.95 a month. So with that said, like I mentioned, the interest rate is should be around 6.75 for you. I don't know what and when it's going to go down again, but I know it would be awesome to get you on one story, particularly given the situation as it is right now. Last but not least, we are seeing a small uptick in inventory, which is interesting. It's an interesting statistic. So with that uptick in inventory, it's very, very slight, but it is in Orange County coming up just a touch. There is going to be, you add that with the interest rate drops, and then we may find ourselves getting very competitive again in the spring. So that's one thing to keep in mind, that with lower interest rates comes more competition. So you'll want to always keep that in mind, because you know how it got. So everybody was overbidding, and the appraisal guarantees and things of that nature. So just something to kind of keep in mind. But these are these numbers. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Even if you see another property you want me to run the numbers for you, I can run the numbers and kind of give you an idea of what you'd be walking away with and what you'd have to put down and what your monthly note's going to be. Okay? So if you have any questions, give me a buzz. 949-746-8788. Thanks, Cynthia. Take care.